you're a beginner and you want to improve your English level, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Majid and today I'm going to teach you and dear Tara how to improve your English skills and try to talk and speak like a native speaker. So without further ado, let's go. So today I'm going to teach you to talk like a native speaker. So a native speaker does not talk like formal English.
Okay.
So you have to talk like informal English, right?
Okay.
So first thing first, how do you do?
I'm okay.
Yes, right there. An American does not say, how do you do?
Oh.
He will say something like, what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah, what's up?
What's up?
No, I'm asking you, what's up?
I'm good. I'm okay. What's up?
Yes, you should ask me also. So when I'm asking you, you should ask
okay.
me. Yeah,
Okay.
like the English 101.
Uh-huh. Okay.
How are you? I'm great. How are you?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, so when someone, yes, okay, right there. Or you can say, it's like Joey says, how you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm
Yeah, it's
doing
like,
okay.
yeah, it's like a New Yorker tells this, you're like, how you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah, it's just like New York accent, but yeah, I love it. I mean, I love New York accent. Yeah. Okay, so what's up? No,
Okay.
repeat it.
Oh, what's up?
Shall we go to the cinema?
Shall we go to the cinema?
Yes, don't say that.
Why?
Because it's formal English. So we are trying to talk like a native speaker, right? So a native speaker talks informal English.
Informal.
Want to catch a movie?
Want to catch a movie?
Yeah. Hey, want to catch a movie sometime?
Hey, want to catch a movie sometime?
So yeah, want to
Yeah.
catch a movie?
No.
Not right now, I
Oh.
mean
Okay.
in general.
Oh.
So why? Because you're gonna go on your friend's birthday party?
Yeah.
And you want to buy a tiara for her?
Yeah.
I mean, like, what kind of tiaras? Like
I'm going to make
a
that
gold
tiara.
one
I'm going to
with
make...
diamonds, like really
No.
expensive one?
No, there are no.
So
I'm going to make for her.
you want to make
I'm
it for
supposed
her?
to get some material and open Pinterest.
Really? So
Yeah.
you have the time? Do you have any like time to do that?
I don't know. I'm going to try. If I
Yeah.
fail, I'm not going to give her a tiara.
You can
so-
buy a tiara for
No,
her.
I don't mind. It's precious because
Is she?
it's
Do I know
high.
her?
What?
Do I know her?
Yeah, I told her.
Who is?
I telling her everything.
No. Do
Like-
I know her?
Yeah, she knows.
No. Do I know her? I mean, like her name or stuff?
Yeah, she knows. I told her.
Again, I'm repeating my sentence. Do I like Majid?
Yes, you know her.
So yes, you're saying, because you're saying, I told her.
That you know her.
No. Forget about her.
Okay, you know her.
Yes, do I know her?
Yeah, you know.
Yes.
showed-
No. Don't continue. So, what's her name?
I'm not going to say it in front of the camera, right?
Tell me the beginning.
Z.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
The
Z girl.
yes, the tiara is precious because I'm going to put my energy and effort and
Yes.
love.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I do believe in that. I mean, a
Yeah.
gift is valuable because the person, puts the energy and time behind it.
Yeah.
Like some people, they do like gift cards, like money stuff, like you're transferring money for birthday party. It's like insult.
Oh.
If a person does that, like for me, yeah, I'm gonna get sad and
I'm
mad.
not gonna get sad because
Yes,
I love the
yes,
money.
No,
But
yes, I love the money, but the fact that, hey, I'm not precious enough for you that, hey, you don't put any energy to, like, even to choose a gift for me, like simple gift would be
Yes,
enough.
I
So
understand.
he or she was like, yeah, so what's you're giving to her? Like, and he was like, yeah, I'm just giving him or her money. Like, yeah, you see, it's like bad.
no, sometimes they're
Friends
just
should be like
buying
this.
you
I mean,
something.
should prepare something and spend a time for preparing. And
Yep.
it's like, yeah, it's like there's nothing more precious than your time. So you have to spend time to.
But sometimes they're just buying you some stuff, but it doesn't. It's like, okay, this is stuff. I'm going to give her that,
Yeah.
and it doesn't have love or anything. It's like a gift card.
Yes,
too.
exactly. So yeah,
Like
there's
some,
that.
they buy some expensive stuff, but they just don't have the love, or they didn't even pick it for you. They
Yes.
just grab it and
I
like,
agree. I agree. Yeah.
I don't like.
I agree. Yeah. The best gift I've ever like give it to someone was like a jar of heart. It was like a jar full of different notes. It's like 60 or 70 notes. And each individual one, I spent time and love behind it, and I wrote someone in that, like, in those letters, and I put it in the jar, and I gave it to my friend.
Oh,
It's not my friend, it was my ex-girlfriend, but
that as a gift?
yeah.
Okay.
I think that's beautiful, isn't it?
No, not for just a gift. Part
It
of
was
the
not
gift.
a birthday gift. It was not a birthday gift. It was just like
Oh, okay.
gift.
Yeah, it was good.
Oh my God. I think you're materialistic. In gift case,
What?
materialistic. It
What
means
does it mean?
it should be expensive. A gift should be expensive.
No.
I mean, it was so
No.
beautiful. I was writing with my heart, and I
So,
put love behind
it's
it.
good for just a gift, not a birthday gift.
Yes, it's great. I mean, if someone does that,
I'm going to be
I'm
happy
gonna
with-
worship that person for the rest of my life.
It's good.
Because-
No, not me.
Okay, I'm not giving you any gift for your birthday.
No.
I'm gonna give money.
No.
Just transferring money. Hey, okay, I transferred money.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'm gonna buy like a golden tiara for you.
No.
Golden.
No.
Golden.
No.
It's gonna be expensive.
No. It can be a part of the gift.
A golden tiara. I mean, by gold, like real gold.
No. What should I do with the golden tiara?
You can just
They're going
sell
to
it.
steal it.
You can sell it. It's gonna be like
Who's going to buy golden
millions. Like what? Who's gonna buy golden
tiara? I
tiara?
want to wear it, but I don't
Like
know where to wear
princesses,
it.
like
No.
queens,
No, king.
king, like golden tiaras, like
Crown. I want a crown.
crown. So I think the thing that you told me like before the class,
What?
you want to. I'm not gonna tell them.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm not gonna tell you guys. But she says something funny. Just ask me in the comment. I'm gonna tell you.
It's just magnificent.
Yeah,
and
it is.
good.
Okay. Okay, I want to tell you something. Okay, I want to tell you something, and it is so important. Please write it down. I want to tell you about the importance of consistency.
Consistency.
Yes, I mean, bunch of people are like, hey, teacher, I'm reading English, I'm studying English, but I mean, I cannot speak. I mean, I can't talk. Why? I spend like bunch of hours and hours. I spend like 5 and 6 hours a day, but I cannot talk. Why?
Why?
You know why?
Why?
Because they spend 5 or 6 hours every day, and it's bad. Did you know that?
No.
Because learning a language is not something that you can do like in 1 month or 2 months. Actually it's a road that it should be your lifestyle, you know?
Okay.
Your lifestyle is like what? It's like drinking water. It's like working out. It's like eating dinner, eating lunch. I mean, you like food, right? Eating is something fun and you enjoy it. But you don't eat like 3 or 4 hours every day. No, you're gonna get exhausted. It's like eating something that is enjoyable, right?
Yeah.
Because it's routine. It's something you have to do it every single day. And learning a new language is the same. I mean, it's a routine. It's a lifestyle. So you should spend like something like half an hour, 40 minutes every day.
Half an hour?
No, yeah, half an hour, 40 minutes, like 1 hour, like maximum, but not more than that because you're gonna get exhausted. After, yeah, for 1 month, you can just study 4 hours, like 5 hours. Yes, great. For 2 months, maybe, but not 6 months, not 1 year. But if you want to be like very good at it, I mean, I'm not saying you have to spend something like 5 years. No, but it's not just you have to. You're not. I mean, you're not gonna get that road easily. Yes, you can talk after 3 months. Yes, I know it is possible, but not professionally. Not like the way I talk right now. I mean,
Okay.
I'm not a native. I'm not an American, but I can talk like this, and it's good. It's acceptable. Wherever I go, it's acceptable. So, yes, if you want to talk like a native speaker, you should do the consistency.
Consistency
And
is
you
the
should,
key.
yeah, consistency is key. And you have to do it consistently every day. Half an hour would be enough. So, yes, please do it every single day for half an hour.
Every single day.
For half an hour.
For
yes.
half an hour.
Yes, you do that,
Okay.
and you will see the level of your English would go. I mean, it's gonna go great.
Yes.
Yes. A native speaker does not say, "Pardon me, do you have the time?"
Pardon me. Do you have the time?
Yeah. He or she will say, "I'm sorry, what time is it?"
I'm sorry, what time is it?
Yeah, just like casually. I mean, the first thing that you should learn when you want to sound like a native speaker, you should listen up and talk casually.
Okay.
I mean, even this sentence is not like, "I'm sorry, what time is it?" No, an American speaker does not say that. "I'm sorry, what time is it?" See?
I'm sorry, what time is it?
Yeah.
Do you have a time?
It's not like,
Do you have a clock?
"Do you have a time?" No, it's so casual. "I'm sorry, what time is it?"
I'm sorry, what time is it?
Yes, like as casual as this.
I'm sorry, what time is it?
I'm not gonna tell you
Why?
because it's off.
Oh, okay.
It's actually 3.
Okay.
Yes,
Thanks.
anytime.
God bless you.
God bless America. Would you like to accompany me?
No.
No. No. No.
Would you like a company?
No, don't say that. I'm telling you that an American speaker does not say that.
Why?
He or she will say, "Wanna come with me? Wanna come with me?"
Wanna come with me?
Not like,
Company me is better.
"Wanna come with me?" No, yes, accompany me is like formal sentences, and like informal places you can, yeah, use it. But in general, like the way that we are learning how to use American English, like, yes.
Informal.
So informal is better, right? Yes, okay. So, wanna come with me?
Wanna come with me?
Yes, great.
Come with me.
Come with me. It's not like come with me.
Come
No,
with me.
come with me. It's like with.
Would you like to come with me?
No, wanna.
Would
Wanna.
wanna come with me?
Wanna come with me? Say with.
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 It's like it's not with. No. Yes,
With.
it's with. With. But
Informal.
no, not informal. In a sentence,
Okay.
you will pronounce it like with me.
With me.
With me, no.
With me.
With me. Wanna come
With
with me?
Wanna come with me?
No, not you wanna. Wanna.
Wanna come with me?
Yes, wanna come with me? You should shorten it. You should shorten the sentence. I mean, the shorter, the better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like American 101. The shorter, the better. I mean, if you
shorter-
can shorten the
The
sentence,
shorter.
the better.
better.
It's like, yeah.
Wanna come with me?
Wanna come with me?
Come on.
Or
Move
even you
your
can
feet.
say, you can say, come with me.
Come with me. Come with me.
It's like, come with me.
I order you. Come with me.
Don't order. An American speaker does not say, "I am quite certain about this." Yes, you can, he or she will say this in formal places.
I am quiet.
Or
Certain about.
I am quite certain about this.
I am quite certain about.
Yes, but in day-to-day English and in day-to-day conversation, he or she will say, "I'm pretty sure about it,"
I'm pretty sure about it.
or even just like, "I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. I mean, you sure? And he or she is like, I am quite certain about. No,
I am quite
no,
certain.
I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah,
I'm
it will
pretty
happen. I'm pretty sure it will happen. Yes. I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure.
Yes. Are you?
Yeah.
Pretty sure?
Yes.
What?
I don't know. I'm just yes. Yes, always.
You're a yes person?
No.
So you're a no person?
Yeah.
So you said just say yes.
No.
But you're a no person?
I'm a yes or no person.
Oh, you're a yes or no person. So what does it mean?
I don't know.
Okay, good. I am looking forward to hear from you again. No. No. No.
I am
no.
looking
no, no,
forward.
no, 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 no,
Here.
no, no,
Okay,
no,
it's bad.
no. 19 no's. So, yes, an American speaker does not say that. He or she will say, can't wait
To.
to hear from you.
Can't wait to hear from you.
Yeah. Or simply say, can't wait to hear back.
Can't wait to hear back.
Yeah, can't wait to hear back.
What
Yeah.
does it mean?
Yeah, it means can't wait. I can't wait to hear back from you. Can't wait to hear back.
Like
I mean,
call?
yeah, it's like for the next meeting,
Okay.
for the next session, for the yeah, can't wait for the next session.
Yeah.
I am looking forward for our next session, my dear teacher. No,
Can't wait to next session.
can't wait for the next session.
Can't wait to
For the
for the next session.
yeah, can't wait for the next session.
Can't wait for next session.
Yes. I am heading to the airport shortly. No, an American speaker does not say that. I'm about to.
I'm about to.
I'm about to.
I'm about to.
Yes, it means I'm gonna. I'm about to leaving for the airport.
I'm about to leaving for
The.
for
Yeah.
the airport.
Yes, I'm about to leaving for the airport. It means I'm about to. It means I'm gonna do that.
I'm gonna do that.
I'm gonna do that. It means yes. Okay. I'm about to leaving for
I'm
the
about
airport.
to leaving for airport.
For the.
airport.
Yes. Okay. Good. Okay, that was all about today. Make sure to watch other videos as well. It's a free English class. And make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Because, yeah, I need you guys. And you need me, guys. Okay, it's a mutual thing. Okay, yeah, please subscribe me. And have a great day. Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.